First Alert meteorologist Mary Hours joins us now because we've been talking about some severe weather that could be coming in and possibly impacting the game tonight.
Exactly. And I wanted to mention too, so I do videos on social media and I talked about, the potential for tornadoes, and people were commenting, I'm scared, but you just have to be prepared.
Okay.
That's the biggest thing with today, because we have that tornado watch, meaning all of the ingredients are in place for it to happen. Right. So you just have to make sure you have your app on hand and follow directions. Stay with us for your forecast as the system moves through.
And know where you're going to go in your house if there is a warning.
Exactly. Okay. So that's going to be really the case until about 7, 8 o'clock tonight. Right now, that tornado watch, it's going to go until 6 o'clock for Greene, Fayette, and also Washington County, even into Morgantown. So when you are heading out today, or if you even have anything outside that could potentially be damaged or something that's not secure, just make sure you do secure that. So that's going to be the idea for today. That's why it's a First Alert weather day. We already had some quick heavy downpours that rolled through early this morning, didn't trigger any severe thunderstorm warnings, but now we're looking at those severe thunderstorm warnings for areas off to the south and off to the west, but they are weakening as they move to the north and off to the east for some areas. So right now we still have that severe thunderstorm warning, and again, that is going to go for some areas until 1 o'clock. Places more so towards the Morgantown area, starting to inch into parts of Greene County. We have clouds out there, which is a good thing. It'll keep things a little bit more stable. The more sun we see this afternoon, that's going to help to fuel up that atmosphere. So when we're talking about our severe weather threat, more numerous showers and storms, more consistent showers and storms for areas in the orange, so south of I-70 into the Laurel Highlands, northwestern parts of West Virginia, and even into Maryland, and then more scattered showers and storms for areas north. So the chance for tornado, 5% may sound pretty low, but that's why we have that tornado watch. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but the ingredients are there. Damaging winds will be the biggest threat. Straight line winds for Pittsburgh and north, and then into the Uniontown area, also into Westmoreland County, into Greene County, even towards the Laurel Highlands. Really high threat for those damaging winds. Over 60-mile-per-hour winds possible. So 76 right now, very warm and muggy. Temperatures in the upper 70s at 81 in Waynesburg, 80 Connellsville. Cooler to the north. So we have dew points into the upper 60s, low 70s, very warm, moist air in place. And then that threat for those storms will go until about 8 o'clock tonight, and then we'll see things quiet down. So looking at futurecast timing it out for you, where you're seeing those purples and those dark reds, that's what we're looking at. Some heavy downpours. Again, severe thunderstorms expected in those areas south of Pittsburgh. This is till about 5 o'clock, and then again we're looking at that line rolling through, but then once we see that out of here by tonight, we have cool and also calm conditions that'll continue throughout midweek. So when we're looking at our muggy meter, we do catch relief on Tuesday and Wednesday. So tonight, 64 degrees, still can have some heavy rain. Stay weather aware today. Tuesday will be right around 80 degrees with a few showers wrapping up. Mostly sunny Wednesday, 81 Thursday with scattered showers and storms. Mid 80s, partly cloudy Friday, scattered storms again Saturday, and low 80s, mostly cloudy Sunday.